Alright, so I've been looking at the leaked trailer and early hands-on info for the Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, and honestly, this one is shaping up to be a solid mid-range upgrade. First thing you'll notice is the design. Samsung is finally ditching that old water drop notch and going with a punch-hole display. The bezels are slimmer, it's got a flat AMOLED screen, and even the frame looks a bit more flagship-like this time. We're expecting a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which should make scrolling feel really smooth. Under the hood, it's rumored to pack the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, paired with up to 8GB RAM. Camera-wise, you're looking at a 50MP main sensor, plus an ultra-wide and macro setup, and a 12MP selfie camera. Now, is it worth your money? If you want great display, battery life, and long software support, yes. But if you're into heavy gaming, this probably isn't for you.